Morning all. Hope you all are going good. Can you please confirm that I'm audible or not in the chat? I'm audible. Are you able to see the screen which I'm sharing? Okay, please confirm yes in the chat. By that I can see that you guys are active. I see 5 members. Please type yes in the chat if you guys are able to hear me. Okay, fine. So hope you guys are getting my voice and able to see the screen. So today we are going to discuss about the few things. First, let's see the introduction about myself. Who am I and how much experience I have in the IT and how much experience I have in the training regarding the testing part. Okay. First, we are going to see all those things and later we can go with the syllabus what we are going to learn in this course, and later we can go through the what type of benefits you are getting if you join in this course. Okay, these are the three topics we are going to discuss in the today session mainly. Okay, so here let me take today topics. Introduction about myself, and later we can see the syllabus, benefits through course. Next, last we can see the introduction about yourself. Okay, these are the four things we are going to see in the today session. And tomorrow we can discuss about the software development life cycle. Actual classes will start from Monday. Okay, actual classes will start from Monday, and tomorrow we can see 2 to 3 more concepts in the manual testing. Okay, so today we are going to discuss about only these four topics. Okay, first let's see about myself. Who am I? So myself, Raju, having 10 plus years of experience, and out of 10 plus years of experience, 5 plus years of experience as a training students on the courses in the domain of the QA, both manual and automation testing. Okay, this is simple about myself. And coming to the course duration, it will be 2 months, which covers both manual and automation testing. Okay, so course duration is 2 months, which covers both manual and automation testing. Hope you guys received the syllabus. I think you may receive the syllabus from the institute. If you're not received, then you can see the syllabus here. We are going to cover manual and automation testing, right? So this is the syllabus what I prepared for you. Here you can see manual testing and automation testing. In the manual testing, we are going to cover manual testing in the two domains. One is UA testing and second one is API testing. Okay, UA testing means functional testing. Majorly the opportunity is there for there in the company if you got both API testing and UA testing. In nowadays, most of the companies are asking the API testing too. Okay, if you got trained in the API testing as well as the UA testing in the manual, then you have a huge chances of getting selection in the manual testing. Okay, later we can discuss the automation testing is only for UA testing. Okay, so in the manual testing, in introduction part, first we will go through SDLC and models. Okay, so not only for testing, even if you're going for developer, DevOps, HR, whoever it is, first you should be aware about the software development lifecycle. Software development lifecycle. What is meant by software development lifecycle? So if a customer came to the company and asked to develop a particular software their business, at that time that software company will follow a particular life cycle to develop a software, like from human born state to dead state. How it will be the life cycle? Kid, children, and the teenage, younger, adult, like that. Some phases will be there for the human, right? In similar way, software development life cycle also we have some phases. Okay, in depth we can discuss about the software development life cycle in the tomorrow demo session. So okay, later we can go with some test design techniques and some levels of testing, and all the topics which I covered in the syllabus are very important. At least if you listen the class carefully, from everyday class of the manual testing you will receive one interview question in the interviews. If you guys applied for the any manual roles in the market, then you guys can get at least one question from the everyday class. Okay, very important. The tools which we covered are from the manual testing is test trial, Jira. Test trial, Jira. Test trial is nothing but test case management. We are going to write the test cases. In previously in the traditional model, the people are writing the test cases in the Excel. Now everything is updated. The companies is also updated, so they're using some tools based on their project. If the project is small and they are not going to invest more on the project, then still people are using the Excel only. But if the people are able to invest some money on the project for the test case management, they are going to take a buy pay tools like test trial and X-ray. We have IBM tool. We have different tools. We have the most of the people are using the test trail. That's the reason I selected the test trail tool here. If you got with one tool, then you guys can work on any tool. Okay, so later we can see the Jira. Jira is nothing but task management tool. If you are into the software company, you should be aware about that what you need to do in that particular day, right? So it will be managed with the help of the Jira task management tool with in the form of the tickets. Okay, so later we are going to see the one project on UA testing, which comes under the domain of either e-commerce or else HR management. Okay, we have different domains in the projects. Either it may be HR, human resource management, banking domain, e-commerce, financial domain, gaming domain. We have different variants of domain. That's why if you guys are applying for any job in the market, you guys can see that uh, uh, the people who is experienced on banking domain is preferred. Is nothing but they are looking for the domain who worked on the bank. Okay, that's the major thing we are going to teach in the manual testing. And after coming to the API testing, we are going to see the basics of the API testing, what is meant by API and what methods we have, what is the difference between the API and web services. And later we can explore the postman tool. And later we can go with the API validation through the postmans, how we can validate the APIs with the help of the postman tool. Okay, this is all about the manual testing. Coming to the automation testing, first I will teach you the core concepts of the Java, because if you want to do project in the automation, you should need one programming language. I will show you here. Here you can see. If you want to work with automation, first you need one tool. Okay, that tool what you guys are going to learn in this course is Selenium. We have different tools: Selenium, WebDriver, Cypress, TypeScript. We have many things. Okay, so but you should learn only one tool first. By that the remaining tools are similar, you guys can work on even if you are new to that tool. Okay, the famous tool in the market is Selenium. I think you guys also hear most Selenium only. Okay, so next, if you want to write a code, you need some editor, right? So that editor is Eclipse. And next one is programming language. If you want to write that code, you should learn one programming language, that is going to be learned in the Java. If you want to build that project, you need one build tool. We are going to use the Mavic. And if you want to save the versions, for example, first you developed only uh, automation project for 100 test cases. Later you can develop it for the 1000, 10,000, 20,000. Like that the versions are divided. Initially you have developed 100 cases only for that project, right? You can name that where 100 cases version as a V1, and later 200 cases V2, 600 cases V3. Like that the versions are going to be saved, because if you want to come back to the version 1 after some time, then you can easily revert back to the versions with the help of the Git. That's why we are calling it as a version control system. We have two things mainly, Git and SVN. Okay, we have two things mainly, Git and SVN. So mostly in our course we are going to learn the Git. Okay, and next one is CRS, Central Repository System. Central Repository System is nothing but if you want to store that resources, where you need to store. For example, if you want to store a voter, So you need some container, either it may be bucket or else whatever container we have, we need to store the water. In similar way, we are handling the versions, but where that versions code has to be stored, it will be stored on the GitHub or Bitbucket or JFrog, any one of the central repository we are using. Okay, so GitHub is a free of cost for us, so that's the reason. And the market level also, paid version is there, free version is there for the GitHub. The most of the people are using GitHub or Bitbucket. Okay, so in this course we are going to see the GitHub. And now tool is there, editor is there, programming language is there, build tool is there, version control system is there, and central repository system is there. So everything is there, but I have to configure the structure, right, structure of the code. So for that we are going to use some framework. Okay, for example, if you want to construct any building, okay, you have to construct it in the way where the apartment or independent house is going to be constructed. First they have to build a ground floor, and then first floor, second floor, third floor. That is the framework need to be followed. So it's not possible to build the fifth floor first and later the first floor, right? So it's not possible. First we have to go with the flow based to destination, right? So for that we are using the framework. So the frameworks which you guys are learning in this course is TestNG and Cucumber. Cucumber is comes under the behavioral data driven framework, and TestNG, these two are very very important. If you guys are clear about these two frameworks, then you guys can easily crack any interview in the automation part in the market. And next one is projects. We are going to teach one project which is named as a Swags Lab, which comes under the e-commerce, or else we have one more project that is human resource management, Orange HRM. I am giving the name as well. Even if you go to the net and search Orange HRM also, you will get it there, and we are going to teach that. Okay, these are the two projects. Any one of the project will be picked, and we are going to be explain the framework in the project. Okay, this is all about the syllabus what you guys are going to learn. Here you guys can see tools what covered: test trial, Jira, Postman, Eclipse, Jenkins is also covered, testing, Cucumber, GitHub, Selenium, Java. And here hope you guys clear about the syllabus what I explained so far. If yes, please type S in the comment. Varshini, Maruti, Ayush, Patel, Vani, Nagaraj. If you guys are clear about the syllabus, please type S in the chat. Only two members are clear. What about others? If you have any doubt, please let me know. I will clear your doubts. I see that. Good, good, good. I see that total 5 S. And any more doubt? I think one S is missed. Vani, are you clear about the syllabus? Do you have any doubt? I didn't see any response from you in the chat.
No, sir.
Okay, fine. There is a syllabus what we have, and what are the additional benefits we have. What are the additional benefits we have from this course? Here you can see that class recordings will be shared to your mail, and end of the course will provide informative materials which helps in future. Okay, duration is 2 months. Class recordings will be shared by the institute for every day once the class is finished, and we are going to share the materials also. In how we can organize the materials. Okay, every day whatever materials we are going to store, that is going to be shown by at any cost. We are going to share the materials in the daily in the WhatsApp group which is created by institute, but by the end of the course we are going to share given access to the folder like that. Recently 1 week ago batch 18 is completed, so this is the batch 18 notes what I have. So I will give access to the folder like this. If I go inside, I can see the project materials, mock interview questions, manual and automation, two folders we have. If I come to the manual, all the materials which we are going to discuss, which we discussed in the course, will be there in the manual folder with interview questions. Okay, so for manual 100 interview questions I prepared. For automation I prepared 600. Mostly I may revise it that questions as well for this batch. Coming to the automation, what are the frameworks we use, what are the files we use, what are the documents we have. If I go inside the documents, we can see syllabus, SQL. I have given few documents as a bonus. Okay, here you can see the bonus materials and SQL documents, Jenkins documents. All these are bonus documents, even which is not included in our course, because these materials may helpful to you in the future. Even if it's not now, it may be helpful to you in the future. That's the reason I uploaded in this folder and I'm giving to you. Class notes. Class notes will be like this. Total 15 sessions will be there for the automation. Each session will consist the two classes. Total 30 sessions will be there for the automation part. Total 30 session will be there for the automation part. Everything is very clear. Questions will be there and answers will be there. Topics will be there. The topic here you can see. For example, this is the class 11. These are the four topics we are going to teach in the today class. The topic heading will be there. The topic concepts will be there, and we are going to teach that such a way the materials are organized in the well structure. Okay, clear? Such a way we are going to provide the materials. Okay, we have some cheat sheets as well there. Sometimes if you have interview tomorrow or today, it's not possible to refer all the materials, right? So at that time you can easily go through the cheat sheets here like this. For example, this is the Selenium WebDriver. If you go through the cheat sheets, how to initialize the driver, how to configure the browser, how to locate the elements, and how to locate the operations, and how to locate the browser operations, and how to locate the drop down. By seeing these 4 to 5 pages of document can give an idea about that how to answer in the interviews. Okay, so good materials you guys are going to get by the end of the course. Okay, this is about benefits through the course. Okay, your batch number is 18. Your batch number is 18. Here you can see all those things I covered here, and we are going to help out you to prepare the resumes as well. And later we can explain you how to apply for the jobs, how you get scheduled for the interviews, and if there is any openings in the companies. Our institute Harsha trainings will gather the information from the companies. If there is any openings, they will share in the group which is created by them. Okay, there you can apply for that opportunities. The complete support will be there from me as a trainer, from the institute as well. Okay, they are going to share the openings if there is any for the freshers or experienced candidates. Okay, so it was good, and these are the benefits. And from this batch I am going to add two more things. From this batch I am going to add two more concepts for this course, that is how to build a LinkedIn profile and how to build a Naukri profile. Okay, how to build a LinkedIn profile and how to build a Naukri profile. I'm going to teach you guys these two concepts as well from this batch onwards, from batch 19. So far, for the 18 batches, we have explained what is the benefits of the LinkedIn, how to configure the profile. That's it. But from this batch onwards, I am going to help out you to create. I will. I'm not sure if time permits. I will show it to you in the live as well, or else I will record a video by creating a profile from basics. Okay, I will create one profile, dummy profile, and I will create you from step 1, step 2, step 3. Like that I will prepare a video and I will share it to you. Okay, but any cost we are going to share both LinkedIn profile and Naukri profile. And what is the more priority, which one is more priority? So in my view, Naukri is the most priority one, but we'll explain you how it varies the priority. Okay, why I am telling that Naukri is a priority than the LinkedIn, and why not the LinkedIn. Okay, I will tell the everything clearly from this batch. You are very lucky. So I'm going to add these two concepts as well, from how to build a LinkedIn profile and how to build a Naukri profile. Okay, these are the two concepts we are going to add for this course. Okay, so if you have any doubts now, you can ask me, or else just introduce yourself, that your name, you are from, your fresher or experienced, or your pass out year. You can tell these four things will be fine. Your name, you are from which location, either you're fresher or experienced, or else which and which year pass out you are. These 4 points, please introduce yourself. Will be fine. Starting from Varshini.
Hi, can you hear me?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, hi. My name is Varshini. I live in USA. I had like a previous experience in manual testing, but it's been like 10 years now. Because of the family, I quit my job, and I want to start my career again. So I thought I'll go with the automation testing with Selenium with Java. That's a thing going on with everywhere I see. That's a main requirement I see now. So I want to go with Selenium and Java. And I passed out in 2003. This is all about me.
Okay, good. Next, who want to introduce? Maruti, Ayush, Patel, Vani, someone.
Hi, sir. I am
Yeah.
Somnath Patil, and I have passed out MCA in the year 2018. Afterwards, I am having experience in manual testing around 2.8 years, and currently I am not working anywhere, looking for upgrade my skills and to apply automation testing jobs. That's why I'm looking for to take course. This is about me, sir. Thank
Okay,
you.
good, good, good. Next,
I'm Dhanan here. I have 1 year plus manual
sorry,
testing.
your voice is not clear.
I'm Dhanam here. I'm from Chennai. I'm taking a break. I have a 1 year plus manual testing experience. Currently, I'm a housewife.
Okay. Which year pass out you are?
2004.
Okay, good. Next, Ayush or Vani.
Myself, Vani sir, 2011 passed out. Sir, is it
Okay.
audible?
Yeah, yeah, go ahead. Yeah, yeah, audible. Go ahead, Vani.
Now
It's
I'm
audible.
working in non-IT,
Yeah, go ahead.
sir. Now I plan to switch the IT, sir. That's why I'm choosing this course.
Which year pass out you are?
2011
Okay, good.
BSc,
Next.
2014 MBA.
Okay, okay, good, good. Next, Ayush.
Yes, sir. Sir, I'm Ayush, 2024 pass out. I am currently, I want to learn manual testing as well. So I am enrolled in this batch.
Okay. You are 2024 pass out, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, cool. So why I gathering the information means I should aware about who is looking for fresher job and who is looking for experienced job, right? By that, if I have any references in the companies, I will share it to the group. That's the reason I am gathering the information here. So I'm good to see that one fresher is there and remaining four members are experienced candidates. We having some gap due to their family regions and whatever it is, right? So, but you guys can switch easily even if you have 10 years of experience in the gap. But you should work hard to gain the knowledge and to apply for the interviews. Okay, I will let you know in the further how you guys can apply for the companies as a fresher and experience to get scheduled interviews at least. Okay, first you should be concentrate on getting calls from the companies. That's the main thing. Okay, so even if you have the skill, if you don't know or if you are not getting the calls, what is the use? And even if you don't have skill, but if you guys are getting the calls, then what is the use? Both are useless, right? You guys can learn the knowledge first, and by the end of the course I will give you tips to get a calls from the companies, and you guys can use both skill and getting the calls. Then easily you can apply, given interviews, and you guys, there will be huge chances of getting selection. Okay, but my suggestion is don't waste your money by paying outside for the proxies and some other things. Okay, don't waste your monies. And please try to learn everything in the course, and if you have any doubts and if you need any suggestions on the other tools also, you can reach out me. I will help out you. And if you guys listen the classes carefully, these skills is enough to kickstart your career in the testing. Okay, you guys can crack interview by your own, but you should be regular to the classes. You should be regular to the assignments which I have given. That's the major thing. Hope you guys are clear what I'm going to convey.
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. So that's it for the today. Tomorrow we can see the software development lifecycle and their models. Okay. So as it is the basic classes will be there for only 30 to 35 minutes classes will be there for today and tomorrow. From Monday onwards, the actual classes will start, and there we have a 1 hour session. The timings will be 7:30 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. I think already institute informed you the timings about the course. It's from 7:30 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. only on the weekdays. No classes on the weekends. You guys has to chill and I has to chill because both have holiday on the weekends only. So I don't want you make you people to work or listen on the weekends. Okay, work-life balance is very important. Please try to take a holiday on the weekends and enjoy yourself and be back to the weekdays again after weekend is completed. Okay, so hope you guys are clear about the things. If you have any doubts about the syllabus or else the benefits which I explained, you can ask me now, or else we can close the demo session for the today. Any more doubts, feel free to ask your doubts or suggestions, anything which you want to convey, you can ask. Vashini, Dhanam, Ayush, Patel, Vani, five
Sir,
members.
API testing means Postman tool will be covered, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Nothing, sir.
Uh,
Thank you.
Hi,
Okay.
sir. One more.
Dhanam, you're asking something.
Yeah. For the Java, we need any technical knowledge.
No, no, no. There is a myth that most of the people are thinking that if I want to learn the Java, I need some tech stack, right? So it's not required. I'm going to teach from scratch. Okay, we are going to learn the Java concepts only which are required for our testing part. We are not going to learn the Java in depth as like how developer needs, right? So we are going to learn how much is needed for the testing. That's it. Enough.
Okay. Thank you,
Okay,
sir. Thank you.
cool. Next. But I'm sure that if you guys support me to listening the classes and asking the doubts, I will make you people to get at least interview calls. Okay, after that you guys can yourself based on your listening and based on your skill set, based on your knowledge, it will be dependent on. But I will guide you to get the calls at least from the companies. Okay, okay, cool. Hope everything is fine. So we'll meet you all again, expecting all the people in the tomorrow demo session as well. So we'll get you connected there. We can discuss about the software development lifecycle and the models. And have a nice day. Thank you all. Nice to meeting you all. Have a nice day.